How to break a girl's ego after she ghosts or rejects you. This happens a lot, but if you do these things, especially the last one, she might come running back. But first, comment ego so the algorithm doesn't delete this video. This is pure dark psychology hidden from most people. 1. Don't react. Silence is your power. If you show any emotion, you're feeding her ego. Don't text, don't check her stories, don't act bothered. Let her wonder. Want to know who's stalking your Instagram? Press share, go to Instagram Direct. The top names are watching you. 2. Level up. Focus on yourself. Get your money right, improve your lifestyle. Like it or not, many girls only start paying attention when they see success. 3. The red shirt method. This one's powerful. If you know, you know. If not, comment red shirt method. Someone will explain, but be warned, it works a little bit too well. You might not see me again. Join Mind Grind Daily so you don't lose me.